Have you ever taken a moment to evaluate your diet? Ever wondered about the potential benefits of almond milk? It's time we shine a light on this unsung hero of healthy nutrition. You see, a balanced diet is not just about eating the right foods, but also about incorporating the right drinks. And almond milk? It's a powerhouse of goodness. Packed with vitamins and minerals, almond milk is a low-calorie, dairy-free alternative that is gentle on the stomach, yet rich in nutrients. It's teeming with calcium and vitamin E, both of which are essential for maintaining a healthy body. It's also low in sugars, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. But the real beauty of almond milk lies in its versatility. Whether you're adding it to your morning cereal, blending it into a smoothie, or using it in your baking, the possibilities are endless. Incorporating almond milk into your daily diet is simpler than you think. So, how can you seamlessly weave almond milk into your everyday meals? Well, it's simpler than you may think. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Instead of using dairy milk in your cereal, try substituting it with almond milk. You'll find that it adds a deliciously nutty flavor to your morning routine. Not a cereal person? No problem. How about a smoothie? Adding a splash of almond milk to your favorite fruit blend not only enhances the taste, but also boosts the nutritional value. Moving on to lunch and dinner. Did you know almond milk can be used in cooking too? Yes, indeed. It's a fantastic addition to soups and stews, giving them a creamy texture without the added cholesterol. And it doesn't stop there. You can also use almond milk in your pasta sauces, curries, or even for marinating. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways. Oh, and let's not forget about baking. Almond milk can be a game changer here. Muffins, cakes, pancakes, you name it. Simply replace dairy milk with almond milk in your recipes and voila, you're in for a treat. Not only will your baked goods be moist and fluffy, they'll also be healthier. Now, it's important to remember that consistency is the key. Just like any other dietary change, the benefits of almond milk are best seen when it's consumed regularly. So, make it a part of your daily meals. You don't have to make big leaps. Start small. Perhaps a glass a day, or swapping it in one recipe at a time. However, don't restrict yourself to these suggestions. The beauty of almond milk lies in its versatility. Experiment with it. Try it in your coffee, your oatmeal, your protein shakes. The possibilities are endless. And as you start to discover the different ways you can use almond milk, you'll also start to notice the positive changes in your health. Remember, consistency is key. A small change today can lead to big results tomorrow. It's essential to remember that your health is directly linked to what you consume. The choices you make at the breakfast table, for your midday snack, or during your late-night cravings, they all add up. They shape not just your waistline, but your overall health and well-being. Now let's consider almond milk. This humble plant-based drink is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's low in calories, high in vitamins, and a great source of calcium. It's an excellent substitute for those who are lactose intolerant or simply looking to cut down on dairy. Consistency, as with anything in life, is the key. Incorporating almond milk into your daily diet can contribute to better health over time. It's not about drastic changes overnight, but about making better choices consistently. Your health is in your hands. Choose wisely, choose almond milk. If you found this information intriguing, there's more where that came from. You see, the power of almond milk doesn't end here. Our website offers a comprehensive article that delves deeper into the myriad benefits of incorporating this nutritional powerhouse into your daily diet. It's an exploration into the world of almond milk that you wouldn't want to miss. Beyond this, our channel is a treasure trove of health-centric content. We regularly post videos exploring various aspects of nutrition, diet, and wellness. From understanding the role of different food groups in our body to discovering new healthy recipes, we've got you covered. In a world where information is abundant, it's crucial to have a reliable source that simplifies complex health topics, making them accessible and understandable. That's exactly what we aim to do. So, go on, hit that subscribe button and join us in this journey towards better health. Don't forget to check out the full article on our website and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay informed.